In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the 3D rotate command in AutoCAD. Whether you're an experienced user or just starting to explore the 3D capabilities of AutoCAD, this command is invaluable for manipulating objects with precision and ease. So let's dive right into it. To begin, ensure you've got your AutoCAD workspace set up and ready. The first thing you want to do is switch to a 3D view mode. This step is essential because it allows for easy maneuvering and gives you a more comprehensive view of your model, which is crucial when working in 3 dimensions. You can switch views by going to the View tab and selecting a perspective that suits your workspace. A good choice might be the isometric view, as it often provides a balanced view of your model. Once you're comfortably positioned within a 3D view, turn your attention to the command line. Here you're going to type in Rotate 3D. This command is specifically designed for rotating objects in 3-dimensional space, giving you the flexibility you need for detailed designs. After typing in the command, simply hit Enter. This action activates the 3D Rotate feature in AutoCAD. Now, with the command activated, grab your mouse and make your first selection. You need to select 2 points that will serve as the axis around which your object will rotate. Think of these as the anchor points that establish the line of rotation. Pick your points carefully to ensure accuracy, as these points determine the rotation's pivot line. Use the snap feature if needed to ensure precision in your selections. After your points are set, it's time to make your third selection. For this step, you're specifying the angle of rotation. You have the option to enter this angle manually in the command line, providing you with the exact degree measurement for how much you want to rotate your object. If you're unsure about the angle, it's a good idea to refer to your design needs or any notes you have prepared. And there you have it. With that, your object rotates within your specified parameters, transforming as intended. It might take some practice to perfect your technique, so don't hesitate to experiment with different angles and axis points to see how they affect your model. Remember, the 3D Rotate command is a powerful tool in your AutoCAD toolkit and can significantly enhance your ability to create and modify complex designs. I hope this walkthrough has helped demystify the 3D Rotate command for you. Feel free to revisit this tutorial as you refine your skills and apply them to your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.